I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money on Binance, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Create a Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, go to the Binance website and sign up. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Step 2. Complete identity verification. To receive funds, you may need to complete identity verification. Go to your account settings and follow the prompts to upload your identification documents. Step 3. Generate a deposit address. Once your account is verified, navigate to the wallet section and select deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive and generate a deposit address. Step 4. Share your deposit address. Copy the deposit address and share it with the person sending you money. Make sure they send the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any loss of funds. Step 5. Confirm receipt. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airshop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're receiving a large amount, it's a good idea to do a small test transaction first to ensure everything works smoothly. Happy trading!